Now that you've learned about SEO, SEM, and display ads, it's time to introduce two more channels businesses can use to reach their digital marketing goals: social media marketing and email marketing. Social and email each have different strengths, which makes them much more effective together than separately. So before we discuss each channel on its own, let's go over what they do well and how they can work together to raise awareness and maintain customer relationships over time. Brands can do a lot on social media. Because so many people are on social media, it's one of the most effective channels for finding new audiences. With social media accounts, companies can engage with customers, run ads, and even generate earned media through viral content. But social media also has one big drawback. Businesses can control what they post to their accounts, but they can't control the platforms themselves. So if a particular platform shuts down or changes their algorithm, it can affect a brand's ability to reach their followers overnight. The good news is that social media can help brands grow their email lists, which they own completely. Email marketing doesn't have the reach of social media, but it also doesn't need to. That's because email marketing is about nurturing relationships with people who are already interested in a brand. And because businesses control their email lists, they can nurture those relationships over time. Email marketing is also incredibly cost-effective. On average, it brings in more than $40 for every dollar spent. And there you have it. Together, email and social media marketing helps brands increase their reach, raise awareness, and connect with customers online. You'll learn more about both of these channels and how they work together in just a bit. Meet you there.